decide if you're ever gonna let me know.
Hi everyone, let's unbox this. The box is wrapped securely by using bubble wrap, but hopefully the box is okay inside. Let's open it. Looks like that there is a little bit of dent on the box, and this is as usual the invoice. And let's have a look at the box. Yes, of course, it is normal that during shipping there's bound to be some dent on the box. So everything in the box seems to be okay, and the watch is intact. There is it inside the plastic wrapping. Next, we go to the documentation before we proceed to the watch itself. So as usual, the Casio manual, watch manual. And then of course the warranty card, international warranty card. So we set this aside and go back to the watch. So there it is, it's intact inside the plastic bag. So there is it, the green dial MW-240. Okay, so let's just continue by removing the watch tag. So this will be the green dial MW-240-3BVDF. Okay, next we proceed by removing the protective sticker from the dial. Okay, there you are. It's really interesting, green dial. Okay, to me, I think one positive aspect of this watch is its simple minimalist design, looking like a field watch style, and the large white numeral hour markers, which is actually easy to read, and there are small numbers just above the Casio logo, numbering from 13 to 24. And the case itself is actually resin, and the other one is that this watch has 50 meters water resistance, so it is 1 point above those Casio watches who has only 30 meters water resistance. And of course, this is the band, the resin band, and including the case itself is made of resin. Even made of resin, but they are really durable and it will last to a very long time. There seems to be no Casio logo on the buckle. And next we go to the dimension of the watch. And before that, this is the case back, which is stainless steel. And this is really quite a large watch, which dimension case size of 43.6 millimeter, and lug to lug of about 48 millimeter, and thickness of about 10.3 millimeter, and weighing about 35 grams, and the lug size of about 18 millimeter. This is a very cheap watch. Price is about $10, and a watch that you wouldn't want to worry if you lose it or break it, because you can always buy another one. The only downside of this watch is that it has no lume, And if you are out camping during the night, and you will need some sort of light to see the time. Setting the watch is actually very easy because this watch has no day and date complication, which is another downside of this watch. Overall, however, this is a cheap, durable, minimalist design watch, which you may consider adding into one of your collection. To me, another downside of this watch is the size, because it's a bit larger on my 6.5-inch wrist. To me, the ideal size will be about between 38 to 40 millimeter. But actually, size is depending on the individual. Some people will not really care about the size of the watch, whether it's too big or whether it's small. And the only thing is that they like the watch, and that's it. You like the watch and you bought it, and I think that's what really matters. I think that's all for today, guys. See you again in the next one. Bye.